Hey there, ladies and gents. So today we're coming to you with a Taste Test Wednesday. Yes, I know that somebody's already done a video for this one, but it is the Kit Kat apple pie. We've previously done the birthday cake flavor, and that was delicious. That tasted like more like a sugar cookie than a apple, or more like a sugar cookie than a cake flavor.
I didn't get to taste it.
Yes, you did. Do not argue with me. Because it was over a month ago. Ooh, I'm already not liking the smell of it. I have 3 minions here.
Oh my gosh.
It almost smells like
Ew, it smells like apple pie.
That's what the flavor is, silly.
I like apple pie. It's really good. Can we actually have our own? That's why I'm cutting it up.
Yeah, that's why she needs a sharp knife.
Okay, you guys gotta back off. I'm gonna cut it up. Instead of just having it in 4 pieces, I'm actually gonna make it a little bit more pieces.
For each of us?
Just in case we don't like it.
In case we don't like it, and there's other monkeys that might want to try it.
And could you put one in my hand?
I will as soon as I'm done sniffing at it.
Check out Captain Underpants in space.
Okay, so the inside looks like traditional, but it has more of a brown sugary center to me
Try it.
looking.
Eat it.
It actually tastes like apple pie. It tastes a little bit like apple pie, actually.
Nope. Don't even taste it.
That's pretty
good.
tasty.
I don't even taste the
Very
difference.
good.
It just tastes like the normal one. Can I have another one? Don't do it on that. Can I advertise my channel?
No.
Check out Random on YouTube.
No advertising.
Captain Underpants in Space Season 1.
I'm going to pound you if you talk again. That's not related to the show, this episode. This taste test video. Ugh! Anyway, would I buy it again? Probably not. But for a trying video, for a little trying video,
I would definitely buy it again.
it is pretty tasty. I think the reason why the American Kit Kats are trying to do different flavors is to catch up with Japan, because Japan has a bunch of crazy Kit Kat flavors, like matcha and other things. Matcha is green tea flavored, and they have other Kit Kat flavors like grape flavored and cotton candy flavored, I think. And then they have some like limited edition flavors for holidays and things like that I've seen people do. But I think this is really super tasty. I guess I'll try a little bit of the coating with...
Can I have another one,
No.
please?
No.
Pretty please. Okay, no.
1, 2, 3. So, this is pretty darn tasty. It is limited edition. They had the birthday cake for the longest time, and this came out in the beginning of, or end of June, I believe. So, it's pretty tasty. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.